Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Workshop Walkaround. It's Friday. You know what day it is, and you all live it. Oh,
Gabagool. Over
Chief Sweep is still having his breakfast. Steve Sweep's still having his breakfast. So, Sean's now, I wasn't here yesterday. He's dropped the cable off so I can get the CCM finished. CCM can be all sorted. The beautiful machine of the CCM. We're still waiting on the wheels back from PB's, and he's going to fetch them and drop them off. Neil's on with the NC 700. I believe that's a service. I don't know which service. How terrible am I? What kind of a workshop walk around is this?
Remove alarm.
Is it remove alarm? He's pointing it out. He's like I should know everything. I don't know where that's come from. Right, so that's a remove an alarm job. There we are. That looks like a right bag of alarm. Anyway, so there's Sean's other one, waiting impatiently. The Panigale needs a cable for the exhaust actuator. It's had a service. XGR of garage is done along with the Africa Twin over there. So he's arranging a van to come and collect them, I believe. I think he is anyway. There's loads of hoops to fit. Some more hoops over there, look. And what we got here... This Harley is it's been stolen, so we've recovered it from the gent's house. It needs a belt and an ignition, and I think that's pretty much it. They didn't get very far with it, the thieving bastards. But yeah, it's yeah. So we're gonna get that. Oh look, see, look, they don't even know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. They just drag them. Apparently, they drag them to fields these days. Is how they go about it. Thieving scumbags. Right, so they drag them to a field or somewhere not far from your house. And then they go back for it later, because they only do that because the testing see for trackers fitted. So I'm told by people in the know, and they'll move it, leave it a few days, and if nobody's like gone and found it, it means there's no tracker fitted. So they then have away with it completely. So my advice, and we do fit them, we do supply and fit them. It don't have to be us, anywhere of your local dealers or whatever. Trackers. Fantastic thing. We fit loads more of them than alarms now. With the apps and modern technology and stuff, they can quickly find your bike, or you can, and get it back without too much damage, hopefully. And if the way they're stealing them nowadays is by dragging them somewhere and ditching them and going back for them, you've always got the chance of getting them back before they have away with them and then do whatever with them. Right, so carry on from there. So, right. Still got the two scooters to fill. I can't get around them. We need to get some bikes. I'm ready to have a shuffle and a shifty. So the Zuma 50 is still for sale, and the PCX, we've had them for a while now. I know it's not the market that most of our customers are in, but we do have a few scooters in for service and repair. So I can't imagine why these won't sell. It's not many people want one at this time of year anyway. The BMW. What is the BMW for? BMW. Oh, I'll take a walk with me. And then we go right. Then we go right again. And then I have a look at the computer screen, which is on the left, that I can't show you because there's some details in it that you don't need to know. Right, so... that has been in for a silver service and MOT. It is all done. That's ready to rock and roll. So that'll be collected today. Well, there's a few be collected today. There's John's J6R. There's more to, there's a bigger story behind that, but I'll give that on another walk around or another video, because yeah, there's quite a lot going to be happening to that one. And as Kev's, he's picking that up today. So right, so Chief Sweeper, hey, he's actually got a brush in his hand, not a power.
Fun fact: did you know Neil owns 3 Labubus?
I don't think that's relevant to anything to do with motorcycles, but there you go. There's a fun fact for you. This is why we don't let him speak. This is why we don't let him speak. Just handle the brush. Carry on. Carry on. Right. Okay. So right. Thank you very much. This was a longer one, because I didn't gem my sen up before anything, and I couldn't get around the bikes because we've not had a tidy up. Yeah. Yesterday off. It's all gone a bit sideways. So what's to tell you? That's it. Workshop walkaround's done. I'll be back in touch later. Oh, John, I messaged you on Wednesday evening, mate, about your wheels. I got them all done. You've not responded, but you liked the post this morning, so I wonder if I've got the wrong number in my phone. So, yeah, your wheels and tyres are done and ready for collection, sir. Thank you very much.